Hello, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you this sweet card using the Timeless Charm Bundle and the Blends markers. Alright, here is my Timeless Charm Bundle card using the Blends and Wink of Stella to create this lovely shimmery look. I started with an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and I scored at 2 1/2 and 6 3/4. And then I've used the basic borders dies to create 2 borders on this card for fun. And then I'm going to use some of the In Color Designer Series paper to place on the inside right here. And then I will trim off any excess at the top, but it just provides a really nice background pattern. And then for the inside and the outside, I have cut another 2 pieces with the basics borders dies. And I'm just going to apply them. I'm just going to sandwich the Tahitian tide in between them. And so when you open it up, actually, I should do it the reverse way. When you open it up, you'll have a little place to write a message, since this area is being used as more of a design area than a practical area. Okay, so before I add this front piece on, I just want to stamp Happy Birthday, and I'm going to use the Stampin' Write marker to ink 1 word at a time. So we'll start with Happy. All right, now I'm just going to punch a hole here for my ribbon that's going to hold this together. And I have some Tahitian Tide ribbon here. All right, so now I'm going to color some of the die cut pieces from the Timeless Charm Bundle. This bundle is only available online. It has these nice flowers and leaves, and then these little watercolor washes, sentiments, dies to cut them out, plus these extra dies. So I've used this small flower, and I've used this large flower, and I've used all the bell flowers too. So I'm gonna color them first with Tahitian Tide. I'm gonna color with the light and then the dark. So I've already colored 3 of the flowers. So now I'm gonna do these 3 bell flowers and these 3 leaves. We'll start with the bell flowers, and I'm going to just start by coloring them with the light Tahitian Tide. And then I'll add some of the dark along the lines here and the bottom. And then I'll do the center of this flower and all of these lines. And then you can go back with the light and you can blend those in. And the best step is using the Wink of Stella glitter brush. And you're just gonna go over the whole thing with the glitter brush and get those nice and sparkly. And then we'll color these leaves with the Parakeet Party. Same thing, starting with the lightest. For the centers of the flowers, I'm going to punch out some 1/2 inch Tahitian Tide circles. gonna stamp these leaves. And then I can adhere the and then I can adhere these flowers with dimensionals, and I'm going to trim off the bottom here. And then the last detail is to add some of these in color pearls. And there is my Timeless Charm Happy Birthday card. Get my Timeless Charm card kit for just $5 shipping when you place an order for $50 using my current host code. Then email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you.